Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on the basics of the Solid Edge 2023 home screen. Whether you're new to Solid Edge or just need a refresher, this video will walk you through the essential components of the home screen so you can start modeling with confidence. Let's dive right in. When you first open Solid Edge 2023, you'll land on the start page. This is your launch pad for everything you need to get started quickly. This is the Discover tab. If you haven't changed any Solid Edge settings related to the tabs, then you will start on the Discover tab. Later in the video, I'll discuss how to change this too. So here, if you click on the Open page, you'll come to this module. Here, you'll find your recent files displayed as thumbnails, which makes it super easy to pick up where you left off. You can also access folders with files in them. For example, if I click on Jigsaw Assembly, I can see the parts that make up Jigsaw as files. For example, there are part files and ASM files. This is a draft file or DFT. Solid Edge has and if you click on all Solid Edge documents, you can see that Solid Edge also has a wide selection of files that are accessible by the program. It supports many different file types. Alright. Above the Open section, we have the New section, where you can create new documents. Whether you're starting a new part, sheet metal, assembly, or drawing, just click the corresponding button. Right now, I've got Solid Edge preset to ANSI metric. If you want to change it, I can press this link that says Edit List. I'll open up called Template List Creation, and you can set what object links you can see on the list. In standard templates, for example, I can click ANSI Inch and set my list to ANSI Inch object links. There's also other templates like Nailboard, Quicksheet, and Symbol. If any of these don't contain what you want, or you want to customize the list for yourself, in the bottom corner, you can do this with the New List dialog button, and you can create your new list. Another module you may use often is the Print module. This is also useful for downloading your files as a PDF. Here you can print sheets. So, if I click the Print module, you can see the print drawings. This will open a box where I can print stuff. So first you choose your file. I'm going to choose the Jigsaw DTF file type. When I open it, I'll get this box. So, you can see you can change the units here. So you can change it from millimeters to inches. Right now it's in millimeters. You can also print it to file and see your largest sheet size. In the layout section, you can also see if you can print it in single sheet or multiple sheets. So, if you click printer, you can see that you can Microsoft print a PDF. This lets you download this file as a PDF. If I click properties, I can change the orientation from landscape to portrait. Then, if I click advanced, I can also change the paper size. So if I'm printing it anything other than leather, I can print it there, and also your copy count. So, okay. Next up is the File tab, also known as the Backstage view. You can access it by clicking the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. It's right underneath the Solid Edge button. This is unique because there is nothing else there. So, if you click the File tab, you can see the Backstage view. Here, you'll find everything related to file management. Up here, there's the New and Open options. So New or Control N and Open. They let you start a new document or open existing ones. You can save work. You can save your work or just save to. Around here, yeah, you can save your work if I have something open, or you can save something as, and that lets you download it. Underneath that is another ribbon. This has many of the same commands that the ribbon above it has. The new and open lets you start a new document or open existing ones, has the same up here. You can also record your work, which is what I'm doing right now. Check add-ons, where you can, well, add-ins, sorry, where you can display that add-in manager and like add new things. And then you can also print documents from here too. So print drawings, that'll open the dialog you've seen before. Yeah, that'll just open this. So yeah, however, one thing I want to guide you to is options. So this configures Solid Edge options. If you click on this button, you can see you can edit many options. So for example, save. When you click this button, there are many there's a lot of things you can see. So automatically preserve documents, this will automatically save documents. So if you go to helper, there's a lot more you can change. So remember in the beginning where I said you can edit, discover. So you can make it start on the open page or the blank page or the new page, which is probably what I'll do, these two. These are the most useful. You can save a lot of time by by just skipping the discover page and just starting a new document. You can also start things in synchronous or ordered. I like synchronous more. You can also change it from light to medium. No dark mode yet. And there's a lot more. For example, predict commands. You can use that, and if you're more experienced, you can turn that off. You can turn on last used commands, and that stays on top. Radial menu. You can see that when you right click when you have a part open, it opens a menu. And you can change when that appears and like the drag distance for it. And then there's a lot more, like design intent, and you can change language too. So you might be wondering what the difference between these two menus are. Well, when you have part of a draft or, well, anything open on the program, you can always access these buttons. They'll always be available at the top of your screen. So if you choose to click on it, they won't make you lose your progress. And finally, the command finder. As a newcomer, this is going to be your best friend. It's right here. It's located in the top right corner and allows you to quickly search for any tool or command in Solid Edge. So for example, I have document. So if I just retype document and then press enter, it'll show me a bunch of command finders. It'll also guide me towards new. So you can see I can open a new document or ANSI inch from here just by typing it in. This also works for a lot of other things. And there you have it, a quick tour of the Solid Edge 2023 home screen. Understanding these components will help you navigate the software more effectively and make your modeling experience smoother. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you and happy modeling.